Hey there, welcome to Room Brothers. This is going to be the next episode of the exciting motorcycling customization and restoration project that we are working on called the Suzuki Gixxer SF series. I'm sure you guys are loving the previous episodes, a lot of people are liking it. In this episode, we're gonna deal with how to paint the fuel tank of your motorcycle. So this episode is like a guidebook on the tips and tricks you need to paint your motorcycle, specifically here, the fuel tank. You can barely find such content out there. So if you subscribe and follow this channel, you won't be disappointed for sure. So as always, grab your popcorn, sit back and enjoy the ride.
Nice.
So as you guys have seen, this fuel tank turned out to be so good that it's hard to believe it's a 7-year-old. So we have brought this to such a dimension that it's far more superior than any OEM fuel tank on a new motorcycle in 2025. So this fuel tank is gonna last for the next 10 to 15 years without any issues. And in the next episode, we're gonna reassemble it back together. I'm planning very exciting episodes ahead and you can't afford to miss it. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.